Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows enlarged lymph nodes. You can see the right mesenteric area. Enlarged abdominal lymph nodes are frequently encountered in asymptomatic children and should not always be considered abnormal. Enlarged lymph nodes, abdominal and large lymph nodes exceeding 10 millimeter in their shortest axis in children with abdominal pain may be it may be represent mesenteric lymphadenitis of various causes. You can see the size of this lymph node. It measures about 15.3 millimeter into 10.7 millimeter, which is definitely enlarged lymph node. Sonograph of normal mesenteric lymph node shows that they are ovoid with a prominent fatty hilum. For the most part, your lymph nodes tend to swell as a standard response to infection. They may also swell due to stress. Some of the most common illnesses associated with swollen lymph nodes include colds, ear infections, the flu, tonsillitis, skin infections, and glandular fever. Now, what size of enlarged lymph node should be considered abnormal? Nodes are generally considered to be normal if they are up to 1 centimeter in diameter. However, some authors suggest that epitrochlear nodes larger than 0.5 centimeter, that is 5 millimeter, or inguinal lymph nodes larger than 15 millimeter should be considered abnormal. Little information exists to suggest that a specific diagnosis can be made on node size. Again, you can see the multiple lymph nodes, but mostly they are of small, normal size, except a one large lymph node that I have already mentioned the size. Now, lymph nodes in the neck, armpit, or groin are close to the surface of the skin and are easy to see and feel. Others, such as those deep inside the abdominal for stomach or chest, cannot be felt from outside. Now, which cancer causes swollen lymph nodes? When more than one area of lymph nodes is swollen, it is called generalized lymphadenopathy. Some infections, such as strep throat or chickenpox, certain medicines, immune system diseases, and cancers like lymphoma and leukemia can cause this kind of swelling. The most common cause of mesenteric lymphadenitis is a viral infection such as gastroenteritis, often called stomach flu. This infection causes inflammation in the lymph nodes in the thin tissue that attaches the intestine to the back of the abdominal wall, that is mesentery. Now you can see this is the left side of the abdominal cavity, and it also has, I will show you small lymph nodes, but they are of normal size. Now, the mesenteric lymph nodes are considered to be enlarged when their short axis was 8 millimeter or more, although 3 millimeter was previously used as a upper limit for the short axis diameter of the mesenteric lymph nodes. Up to 39% of healthy normal patients have larger nodes than this. Mesenteric Lymphadenitis is likely more common than acute appendicitis in the first decades of life. Acute appendicitis becomes more frequent in the second decades, while mesenteric lymphadenitis is distinctively uncommon after the age of 20 years. Now, you are going to see the left side of the abdominal cavity, the lymph nodes seen in the left mesenteric area. Now, the mesenteric lymphadenitis is the inflammation of lymph nodes. The mesenteric lymph nodes which become inflamed are in the membrane that attaches intestine to the abdominal wall. There are hundreds of lymph nodes that help the body to fight against diseases. They trap and destroy microscopic invaders like viruses or bacteria. The most common cause of mesenteric lymphadenitis is a viral infection such as gastroenteritis. Other common causes include bacterial infection, inflammatory bowel disease, and lymphoma. In underdeveloped countries, tuberculosis of the intestine is also an important cause and should be evaluated. Mesenteric lymphadenitis is not normally dangerous, but having inflamed lymph nodes for a long time may be a sign of something more serious. If the glands are swollen due to severe bacterial infection, it is left untreated, it can separate to blood spleen and this can lead to sepsis. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.